Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find lot of hauls related to clothing, accessories, footwear, you name it, and mostly I have all sorts of hauls. And under reviews I have lot of skincare as well as hair care and makeup reviews. So if you like what you see, then please consider subscribing my channel. When you subscribe my channel, after that you will get a bell button. You can hit the bell button also for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask even your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, you can definitely follow me on Instagram as well as on the Facebook. The links of the same also will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well. Now, from the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have come to know that today I am going to review a particular product. This is the product from Makeup Revolution. I got this product directly from Myntra. Alright, now you will say, Meghna, this is not a new launch product, and why you are reviewing this now? See, basically this is definitely not a new launch product, but I was eyeing on this product from quite a long time. And when I saw the price of this particular product on like international websites, they were having very less price. But when I checked the same product price in India, then it was actually costing me too high. At the basically MRP of this particular product is 1350. Now I'll tell you the name of the product. It is Makeup Revolution. That is Makeup Revolution London Intensely Pigmented Foil Eyeshadow Palette. This is basically their Foil Frenzy Creation Eyeshadow Palette. You can see the name over here. Alright, and this is the front part. In total you are going to get 15 eyeshadows, and total gram of this, that is the net content, is 16.5 grams. That is almost 1.1 gram per shadow. Alright, this is basically available on lot of websites. I am talking about Indian websites. This is available on Flipkart, Myntra, Nykaa, but everywhere, Purple also, but everywhere the MRP is 1350, that is 1350. But when I checked on Myntra, you must be aware, Myntra was having recently a grand Diwali sale. During that particular Diwali sale, I ordered this product, and then along with this, I ordered few more products. So one Myntra haul is also coming up, so stay tuned for that haul. So during that particular order, I ordered this palette. Okay, this is Foil Frenzy Creation Eyeshadow Palette, and this is basically from Makeup Revolution. And when you see this kind of www Hawk Makeup tag on the particular international items, that is international makeup, then you can understand this is an original palette, because Hawk Makeup, that is HOK Makeup, is the official exporter and importer, whatever you call, is officially like licensed for all this kind of international brands. That is Makeup Revolution, Unica, K, then even Wet n Wild. All these products are available exclusively on Hawk Makeup, and also on other websites like from Hawk Makeup. This all people, that is Myntra and all, they directly source from Hawk Makeup. So this is basically a briefing. Now when you talk about the packaging, the top is transparent plastic, and when you flip the product, it is the rose gold packaging. Alright, you all can see it is the rose gold packaging. Alright, now when you open the product, actually it came in this kind of box. No bubble wrapping was there. That is actually one I was like little bit skeptical. So there was no bubble wrapping, but luckily the palette was all together in one piece only. So when you open the product, you all can see these are basically the 15 eyeshadows. All are basically the glittered eyeshadows, that is the shimmer eyeshadows. If you want one and done eyeshadow, that is you just want to like apply some transition shade, and after that directly you want to apply some shimmer on your eyes, that is simple foil, not exactly shimmer or glitter. This is foil eyeshadow palette. Okay, so now what I will do is I will swatch all these 15 shades, and I will insert a clipping in the end of the video. So right now I will not be swatching anything on my hand or anything. In the end of the video I will be attaching a clip where you can find all the 15 shades swatched on my hands. Right now I am just swatching on my hands, but if you people want me to make a separate video, all shades, single shades applied on my eyelid, then definitely do let me know, because right now I will not do it. If I will do it, then the video will be around 15 to 20 minutes long. and nobody is here for around 15-20 minutes. But if you want, then definitely you can let me know. I'll make a separate video. This is basically a foiled eyeshadow palette, one and done. You all must be aware, I don't have basically much time. Whenever I'm doing my makeup or anything, I'm always running in short of time. I never have time to do my own makeup. So like for a person who is basically lazy also for eyeshadow, and like I just want something very quick. If you tell me some particular eyeshadow stick or something, then I'll prefer eyeshadow stick also. So like I'm like one and done person. Just a transition shade, apply that particular product and done. So for a person like me, definitely I will prefer this kind of eyeshadow palettes for some party kind of looks, or maybe in day to day also. In like day to day, if you want to apply, you can apply this kind of brown shade. If you are going for some party or something, you want to apply in the center of the eyelid this color, and overall whatever color matches to your particular dress or something, you can definitely apply any of the shades. It is like one eyeshadow also you can create some looks, with two different eyeshadows also you can create some nice looks. It is all up to you, it is all up to your creation. So basically I wanted to tell you that this eyeshadow palette, like I was eyeing from quite a long time, and when I saw it on discount on Myntra, I grabbed it. Okay, and as I told you, it is 1350 is the MRP. The manufacturing is July 2020, and like you can use it till April 23. That is almost for 3 years you can use this product. And definitely now you will say ki, what if we get some broke item, some broken eyeshadow or something from Myntra? Then definitely I have one video. Like if you get some broken pieces, or if you are ordering something which is not returnable, then what you should do? What about that particular time? Then I have already one video. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So just before ordering, like when you order it, before opening the parcel, just have a look on that video. That video will be very helpful for you. Just watch that video. In that I have explained you what to do and what not to do. Like when I ordered this particular product from Myntra, I spoke with them and I asked them, what if I get some broken product or all? So they actually assured me for everything, and then I was like, rest assured. So like this is one eyeshadow palette, and let me tell you, this is not my first purchase from Myntra. This is my second eyeshadow palette purchase. In this time I purchased only one, but before this I have this two eyeshadow palettes again from Makeup Revolution. You all can see this is Neutrals 2 eyeshadow palette. This is the Reloaded series, and this is Division eyeshadow palette. In this particular Reloaded, I think you get 8 to 10 variants. I am eyeing on one more eyeshadow palette from this particular Reloaded range. Definitely once I get that particular product on some better discount, I'll be getting that also, because I like the quality of Makeup Revolution as well as Wet n Wild eyeshadows a lot. So that is why I have these two palettes which is bought by me earlier, and this is my recent purchase, and I'm pretty satisfied with my purchase. And like I'm just wrapping off it right now. I'll be definitely like swatching all the shades on my hand, and I'll be attaching a clip in the end. And if you are watching till here, as I told you, this is for 1350, but I think I got it at around 600 or maybe 700. I'm not sure. If you want, I'll mention the price on the screen. Like when I'll edit the video, I'll enter the price of this particular eyeshadow palette on the screen. So that is all. If you are watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, then please give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family, and do leave your precious comments in the comment section. If you have any video request in your mind which you want to make, which you want me to make a video on, definitely that also you can leave it in the comment section. I'll be trying to fulfill your requirement. I'll be trying to reply you as soon as possible. Alright, now just I'll attach your clip right now in the end. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'm wrapping up for today. Bye.